alarm what? System. With the door alarm system, we are also talking about the two states of what? A circuit, right? The state of what? Of a what? Of a circuit. So we are talking about the on state and the what? Off state. And with the door alarm system too, we are looking at the electronic component, right?
Yeah.
So which electronic component is this? What about this?
The battery.
The battery. And what about this?
Switch.
The switch. Which component is this?
The on switch.
So how are you going to build our door alarm system? Yes. Very good, Sharon. Talk to me.
We use wires.
Good.
And we put the wires together to the buzzer.
Very good.
Now when we put it to the buzzer, we take our battery pack and the batteries, and we put the batteries inside the battery pack.
Okay, very good. So I want Francis and Ika to demonstrate that for us. Yes. Very good. So do the connection. Connecting the jumper wires to that switch. Yes. So touch it to all for us to hear the sound. Very good. So Francis, I want you to raise up the buzzer. Which one is the buzzer? Raise up the buzzer. Very good. With the battery giving us electricity. Okay. So the buzzer is the one making the words. Good. So when you open the door, that's when the buzzer will make a word. That's when the door will make a word.